If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Audit Log in QuickBooks Online Plus lets you view all the changes made in your company file and who made them. To open the Audit Log in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Audit Log link under the Tools heading in the menu that appears. Alternatively, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. If needed, then click the Standard Reports tab to the right to show the standard reports. In the Business Overview Report section on that tab, then click the Audit Log title. The Audit Log in QuickBooks Online shows the 50 most current changes made to your company data per page by default. To see older changes in the Audit Log, either change the Date Range filter or click the Next link in the lower right corner of the page to review older changes on the next pages in the Audit Log if available. To filter the changes shown in the Audit Log, select Filtering Choices from the User, Date Changed, or Events drop-downs in the upper left corner of the page. To change the columns and rows in the Audit Log, click the Settings button in the upper right corner of the list of changes to show a drop-down menu. Then check or uncheck the checkboxes under the Columns heading in the drop-down menu to show or hide those columns. To set the number of changes to show per page in the Audit Log, select an option in the Page Size section of the drop-down menu. To print the Audit Log, click the Print Page button in the upper right corner of the list of changes to open a new page or tab with a printer-friendly view of the Audit Log. Your web browser's print dialog box also opens, letting you easily print the Audit Log. You can close this new web page or tab when you are done printing it. To export and download the Audit Log as a CSV file, click the Export to CSV button in its upper right corner. The rows of changes listed in the Audit Log in QuickBooks Online often show hyperlinks to the changed transactions they reference under the Event column. If needed, to view a transaction referenced by a change in the Audit Log, click its hyperlinked reference under its Event column to open it in a new window. To view the history of changes for a row in the Audit Log, click its View link under its History column. To return to the main Audit Log page from the Change History page, click the Back link in the page's upper left corner. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.